Innovation fuels ongoing breakthroughs. Exploration bridges us with the world. Precision engineering conquers complex challenges. Novel materials propel us into a new era. Jiangsu Yichu New Materials Co. Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Nanjing Youtian Metal Technology Co. Limited, specializing in R&D, production, and sales of zirconium and hafnium metal materials with both civilian and military applications. Small metals, big impact. We are perpetually advancing with unwavering precision and relentless dedication. At Yichu, innovation anchors our steady march in sync with the market. Since our inception in 2019, we've remained laser-focused on strategic new materials, zirconium and hafnium, with our core strength in advanced zirconium-hafnium separation and purification technology. Our zirconium oxide, hafnium oxide, zirconium crystal bars, hafnium crystal bars, and zirconium-hafnium products empower civil aviation, chemical equipment, semiconductors, energy storage, plasma cutting, and other high-end civilian industries. Leveraging the benefits of zirconium-hafnium separation technology, we enhance the use of zirconium and hafnium materials in critical sectors such as aerospace and nuclear industry. This advancement fosters the integrated growth of the defense industry and advanced manufacturing. Yichu excels in innovation with its stable technology and precise smart manufacturing. We are continuously exploring and seeking breakthroughs in innovation. Our 1+N R&D system is tuned to the pulse of industry needs, constantly innovating zirconium and hafnium material technology. We have developed a green and efficient zirconium-hafnium extraction and separation technology that enables eco-friendly production. We have also developed our own zirconium and hafnium iodization and purification process and built China's very first production line. This production line ensures a reliable supply of materials for downstream industries. Yichu leads the industry with foresight. We consistently expand our production capabilities, diversifying our range of zirconium and hafnium metal products. We are also building a vertical industrial chain to cater to the varied demands of multiple industries. We focus on developing smart factories and digital workshops with the goal of implementing a fully digital and traceable modern management system. All the efforts are to drive Yichu from a traditional manufacturing enterprise towards a smart manufacturing enterprise. We strive to enhance our company's management, ensuring safe, efficient, and stable production. At Yichu, we firmly believe in the creed, every process shapes the outcome, every detail carves our success. We are committed to building a team of skilled professionals. We introduce advanced inspection and testing equipment from China and abroad to constantly improve our inspection and testing capabilities and maintain stable and reliable product quality. Innovation is our passport to the global stage. In a dynamic market, Yichu consistently enhances its capabilities in marketing, quality control, and research management. We are committed to developing a professional, comprehensive, and unique service system that responds promptly to market needs. By continually refining our management and operations to align with the market environment, we lay a groundwork for high-quality performance. Relying on relentless innovation, efficient delivery, and swift after-sales service, we have built a robust sales network spanning domestic and international territories dedicated to maximizing global customer value. We aim to promote the global appeal of China's zirconium and hafnium materials. Leading with innovation, embracing the future. As we look ahead, Yichu will remain rooted in the zirconium and hafnium materials field, intensifying our efforts in this key industry of the new era, embracing change with innovation, and relentlessly enhancing our core competitiveness. Our vision is to be the vanguard of the zirconium and hafnium industry. Our mission is to take China's expertise in zirconium and hafnium to the global stage. We aim to shape a brighter future for humanity, contributing China's strength to the global materials industry.